The Triad, by UnderCover, is a hard-folding bed cover designed with the strength, security, and versatility to help you manage any cargo. The Triad comes pre-assembled so it's quick and easy to install. The only tool you need is included. Let's get started. We will be installing the Triad on this 2021 Ford F-150. Included in the package is the folding cover assembly, hardware, clamps, lock knobs, and a pair of tethers. This particular application also includes a bed flange extension kit, which we will cover as well. Starting with a clean truck bed, place the folded cover assembly across the bed rails close to the truck cab. Ensure it is centered. Adjust as needed. The front seal should rest on the bulkhead. Adjust as necessary. Then, unfold the cover toward the tailgate. Next, fold back the front cover panel and place a cab clamp, along with the recommended number of risers, on the underside of the cover. On this F-150, it is 2 per clamp. From the top of the panel, push a bolt with a rubber washer through the cover. Secure the clamp with a steel washer, split washer, and then the lock knob. Repeat on the other side. Then, carefully lower the panel down while preventing it from shifting. Next, carefully fold the cover open. Now, crawl into the truck bed. Then install the bed flange spacer onto the bed rail so it aligns with the clamp. It just slides on. Hand tighten the lock knob firmly, but do not over-tighten. Repeat this same process on the other side. Next, attach the tethers to the cover by threading the loop end through the cleat on the underside of the front panel. Then, pass the clamp through the loop and pull it tight, before mounting it to the bed flange close to the cleat. With the cover in the closed position, install the bed flange extender clamp onto the bed rail flange so it aligns with the rear clamp. Note, the clamp needs to attach to the metal flange of the bed rail, not the plastic. If there is a plastic bed rail cap, the clamp will mount behind the cap. Hand tighten the screws with the 5/32 inch hex key. You can adjust the rear clamps to fit your truck's bed height by opening the clamp and rotating it to raise or lower it to the ideal position. Then, swing the clamp jaw under the bed flange extender and press the handle towards the bed wall to lock the cover in place. Repeat this same process for the other side. With everything clamped down, close the tailgate and check for a proper fit. If adjustments are needed, release the rear clamps. Then loosen the cab clamps and shift the cover's position. Now retighten the cab clamps to secure the adjustment. Before operating the truck, position the Triad folding bed cover in either the fully closed position or in the fully open position by securing the open panels using both of the attached tie-down straps. Never attempt to drive the truck with the cover partially open. That wraps up the installation of your UnderCover Triad bed cover.